Need to edit documents on the go? MobiDocs makes it easy. Browse through handy templates or start fresh to create exactly what you need. Add and adjust text easily, formatting your document just the way you want. Convert to PDF and share quickly. No hassle, no fuss. Looking for an easy way to organize your data? With MobiSheets, you effortlessly choose from ready-to-use spreadsheets, invoices, and more. Add data, apply formulas, and watch numbers update. Create colorful charts that make your progress easy to understand at a glance. Share your work instantly. Want to create eye-catching presentations? MobiSlides helps you write your text, drop in images, and give your slides a custom look. Add smooth animations and transitions to bring your ideas to life. And when it's time to present, just tap into slideshow mode and go. Need to handle PDFs without the hassle? MobiOffice PDF lets you work with all kinds of documents, like contracts or invoices, sign with your finger, or print directly from your phone. Open PDFs from email attachments, leave comments and share with ease.